Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone, welcome back to my little jungle. Yep, so these are the orchids that we just unboxed. And right now I am just going to take my time to unwrap them, but I'm not sure if I'm going to make this video long or not, but it depends on how much time I'm gonna use for removing the plastic tapes. So anyway, thank you so much. Maybe I'm just going to cut this video in two again, that way I can also show you the how nice their root systems are from from getting these plants. So anyway, let's start here. Let's start here actually. Let's see. Oh, from the little one. Like I said from the previous video, this is a species orchid, and I thought this is a dendrobium, but it's not, I guess, because it says epi. Every time I saw epi, it always reminds me of Cattleya variety. So I'm not sure if this is a variety of Cattleya, but it has a nice I messed that. I pulled that. Alright, it's alright, it's just a leaf. Okay, so that's a leaf. That's not gonna grow anymore. So it has a nice roots here. If you can see, those are roots. So I still have that that yuckiness from taking it from the box. So this is just actually a continuation of this video, because of the previous video, because it's gonna rain, so I wanted them to get rain here, and also I want them to breathe now. So I'm just gonna put this here. I have my pot here, my, what do you call this pot for my succulents. The succulents died, so okay, let's take this off. Okay, I think I'm just going to use this, that way I don't hurt my plant. Oh, come on. All right, so let's see the roots. I can see roots, nice roots here, but let's see here. Let's hold it here. All right, come on now. Okay, so it has a nice root system going here, but I am going to trim this already because it's not gonna grow anymore. It's broken, so it's not gonna grow at the tip. But if it's not broken all the way through there, it's gonna grow roots here. So, but I'm not sure about that because these roots are broken from being in that package. So we will see. And this is the Brassavola perenniae. So it has a nice growth here. And ooh, what's this? Is this a spike? I'm not sure. I just saw it. I think it's a spike because look at the leaves. The leaves are look like these. Well, we will see. That's crazy. Okay, so we will see very soon if that's a leaf or a spike. But anyway, let's move to the next little bitty one, the Vanda. Did I say Vanda? Yeah, it's a Vanda. It's a Vasco Velvet Perfection. And we are going to remove the plastic. Well, I'm just showing you how I remove the plastic, not to destroy or hurt the plant. Sometimes I hurt them, but most of the time I don't. So I'm always so careful removing this plastic tape because we don't want to hurt our plants, right? It takes time, but when you're done, you'll feel how nice it is that you did not hurt your plant. Alright. I used to make a very long video before, especially when when I am doing my unboxing. I have almost an hour video of me unboxing because I also received 30 plants from Carmela's Orchid, and that's my very first boxes actually, when I just started collecting orchids. Well, all the orchids that I've collected, they died. So I don't have a very nice place for it yet. That's why. Look how nice. Well, this one here, I'm not sure if this is gonna grow because it was packed like so, but I am so positive the roots here are gonna grow nice. See, I have 2 roots there growing. So all I just need to do is put this in a very nice pot and put it somewhere that it's growing nice. It's gonna grow nice. So oops, don't forget to put the label back because yep, that's what I do. And it's starting to rain now. I don't know if I'm going to leave it here. So we have that. Maybe I'm just gonna do these little bitty ones. So okay, this one is the Cattleya, the Motes Cattleya. So can you see the roots there? I'm not sure if I need to remove this here, but I think I'm just gonna let them grow here, and then we will see later if I really need to take it off here. Anyway, so that's the name of this one. It's my little baby. So put it right next here. All right. This is Dendrobium tangerinum. I've been wanting one and now I got one. If you are going to buy these orchids individually, it will take arms and legs for you. That's why I always order Carmela. Well, my husband too. He's the one that orders it all the time. Look at this. It has plenty of growth here. It actually has 2 growth here, and this one is a little big now. So, but I am so what? There's another one here. See, growing. It's so full of growth. I really like it. But it needs repot because see, it's wiggling. So it needs repot very soon. Anyway, ooh, So I'm not sure if this is the one that bloom, even if it's still like this little one. So I need to make me a research about these plants. Alright, so I always do research with my plants on how am I going to take care of it. So that's why I don't know why they always die on me, the other orchids, because I always do research of my plants. So sa Cattleya, it's raining now again. Earlier this morning it's raining too. So this is the Patnara. Oops, what's this? Ooh, it's a seed. I don't know what kind of seed is this, but I'm gonna keep it and see if it grow. So just put it there. It's a seed of something. All right, so it has a new growth here, and that's a little bitty one, and this is the first growth that's going. So I'm sure it has a nice root. It has roots here, but it's a little tiny one, so we'll see. We will see. This is the Valentine, the Patnara Valentine. So okay, next baby here. These are wiggling here in its pots, so I think I'm going to make me a repotting session, if not today, tomorrow, because I want them to grow nice. Ooh, something happened with the root. It broke. I think that's from the elastic that they've used. See, it got broken. See that? Got broken. So that's not gonna grow anymore. But anywho, it has a new growth here growing. See that little node here? That's a growth already. And there's another one trying to grow here. Here. You cannot see it yet because it's dark. It's a little darker. But yes, it's a pretty one. Ooh, look at this root here. It has a pretty root too. And this is what? The Cliff Chuji Hawaii. So nice. So nice. If it rain, they're gonna be getting rain in here. I mean out here. Why did I say in? They're out. Alright, let's see this one. Another Cattleya. I can see roots. Okay. Look at the roots. But this is a new growth here. That's all. Oh, see, it's degrading. Any roots that are outside the pot, they always degrade so fast. So this is Marie's Glory Avery. So this is Avery's orchid. So nice. I am so happy with my orchids. Okay. Another one, Cattleya. Ooh, I'm already 14 minutes. And I'm still working with these ones. Alright, I have a new growth coming here. See that one? This here? Yep, that's a growth there. And the roots are alright. So they're doing all right. And this is the Robert's Red Blue Hawaii. All right. Okay. I think we are going to stop here because it's already 15 minutes. So see you on the next one. All right. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.